Okay, go getters. As I promised you that I will do more questions now. So here's the other video. I'm bringing 2 questions, then I give you the activity to try. Cause now you should be at least having that idea. What are all these LCM and high CF? Nah. These things, guys, are so easy. Yeah. Just tell yourself these things are so easy so that you can understand. Because if you don't tell yourself that these things are not easy, it will be hard for you to get them. Just tell yourself, these things are so easy. Yeah. So check something. Determine the lowest common multiple, which is a LCM, and the highest common factor, which is a HCF. You see? So to identify these things, guys, you can even do like those long method, but I don't like them. Let's just go with table, guys. That table, it's easy, guys, to go about it. So which is a lead method. It's a ladder method. Yeah, it's a ladder method. So let me do it, guys. So you do a table like this, you separate it like this. Also on the other side, you will do a table like this. Now on your right hand side, you write the number that you want to get the prime factor, the prime factors. Here you having your prime factors. On your left hand side, you got your prime factors. Then on your right hand side, you write the number that you want to get its prime factors. So let's get these prime factors. Let's start by say 28 divided by 2, meaning that 2 can be divided to 28 by 14 times. And also let's try 14 divided by what? By 2, meaning that also what? 2 can be divided to 14 by 7 times. Do you see? And if you can notice, 7, guys, it is a prime number. 7. This thing, it doesn't have the factors. This one. You can divide by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. You won't have the factors. This thing, it is a prime number. It got the factor that it has, it is 1 and itself only. Those are the factors that it has. Because check something, 7 divided by 1, yeah, it's only 1. It can be divided by what? By 7 here. But here you don't decrease. If you already started by 2, you don't go to 1. After started by 2, you should go to 3. We started by 2. 2, it's not a factor. Let's try 3. It's not the factor. Let's try 4. It's not the factor. 5. Not the factor. 6. Do you see? I told you. This one. This can be divided to 7 by 1 time. This thing, it is a prime factor, guys. This one. It got number 1 and also itself. Yeah. So now we got the what? The prime factors here. This one, it's a prime number, guys, not the prime factor. It's a prime number. These one are the prime factors. So now let's go to 126. Say 126 divided by what? By 2. We don't start on 1, we start on 2. Meaning that 2 can be divided here by 63 times. So now let's say 63. 63 divided by 2. 2, it's not divided. Let's try 3 now. Meaning now 3 can be divided by 21 times. Then now let's say 21 divided by 3, meaning that 3 can be divided by 7 times. So now we reach 7. Remember, 7, it is a prime number. And also you can say 7 divided by 7 because it is a prime number here. 7 can be divided to 7 by 1 time. Do you see? So now we list all the prime factors. All the prime factors, we take them to the list of them. So here we got what? 28, which is what? It's 2.2.7. That dot, guys, represent what? Multiply. Do not forget that. Represent multiply. Then we got here what? We got 126. We got 2.2.3. 3.7. Do you see this thing? So now we have to identify the what? The LCM and the HCF. How to get these things, guys? LCM, we take everything here, but what is repeating, we count it once. So first of all, let's identify what is repeating here. This thing, it's repeating. Even this one, it's repeating, or you can say it's common on both. It's common. So for LCM, guys, you take everything, but what is common, you count it once. What is repeating, you count it once. Meaning this thing, it's repeating, I can count it once, and say multiply by. This one, it's repeating, I count it once. So all the others are not repeating. It's 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Do you see this thing? Yeah. These one are not repeating, guys. You can count it what? You can count it one. You can just write them, yeah. This one. And you can't say these one are common, guys. This one, yeah, there are 3, but for a one number, at least if they were common for both of them, yeah, you can count it once. But because they are in a one number, on the row of the one number, you can't say they are common, this one. Do you see? So meaning now your final answer for what? For LCM, say 2 times 7 times by 2 times 3 times 3. So this one, it's 250 what? 2 here. So here we've got 252 as the final answer. Do you see? This one, it is the most lowest number, which is a multiple between these two numbers. Do you see? Yeah, the most lowest number here. So what about a highest common factor? So a highest common factor, guys, I love this one. It's easy. You only take what is common and you take it to once, which is this thing. It's what? It's 14. This one, it is the lowest common factor. It is one of the factors of these numbers. It is the number that you can divide it here and there. Do you understand? The one which is low, this one. Do you see? These things are easy, guys. Here you should get level 7 at least, yeah. Level 7, it's better for you. So let's try to get this one now. Even this one now, I'm thinking to just stop the video and try it for yourself, just to check your confidence. How good are you? Do you see? But guys, I'm just joking. For this video, I was planning to do all these questions. So what you can do now, you can just stop the video and try for yourself. But for me, I'll just do it now. So check, guys, how do we go about this thing? Check. So this thing, guys, I told you that they are easy. This thing is just a basic maths, this one. It's not something that you should fail, this thing. It's just a basic maths. Even someone who's still on trade 5, on trade 4 can understand this thing. It's easy, this one. So check, guys. Here we got 84 and here we got 120. So how to get these factors? These factors, guys, are straightforward. We start by saying 2. How to get these prime factors divided by 2, yeah. So you start by saying 2 can go in 42 times. What about 42? 42 divided by 2, it means 2 can go here in 21 times. 21 divided by 2, it can never happen, something like that. Say 21 divided by 3, it can happen, meaning 3, it goes 7 times, and 7, it is a prime number, meaning now you can say 7 divided by what? 7, which is 1. Do you see? So for here, 120 divided by 2, it means that 2 can go here in 16 times, and say 16 divided by 2, it means 2 here can go here in 3 times. So 30 divided by 2, meaning that 2 here can go here by how many times? By 15. And say now 15 divided by 2 can never go. it's not the factor, this one. And say try 3, yeah, 3, it is the factor. It goes in 5 times. And if you can notice, guys, 5, it is a what? It is a prime factor. It is a prime number, this one. This one, it is a prime number, meaning its factors, it is 1 and itself only. Meaning now you can say 5 divided by this, which is 1. Do you see? So all these one are what we call the what? The prime. This thing is what we call a what? A prime factor. And this one is what we call a what? A prime number. This one. Do you see? Yeah. So now we wanna determine the what? The L. We wanna determine the what? The LCM here, and the what? And the lower and the highest common factor here. So to determine these things, now we only take the what? We only take all the prime factors. So here we got 84, which is it's 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by what? By 7. And here we got 120, which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Do you see this thing? This thing, guys, it's easy. It's easy, this thing. Never feel as in this thing it's hard. So again, now what do you do for a lowest common multiple? You take everything here, but what is repeating, you count it once. So first of all here, these you can tell they are repeating, these they are repeating, or they are common. Even these they are repeating, they are also common. Do you see? You take everything here which is repeating, you take it once, and you take everything now, 7, which is 2 and 5. So what will be your final answer? I'm sure it will be a bigger number, this one. Multiply by what? By 3, multiply by what? By 7, multiply by 2, multiply by 5. What a bigger number. So here it's 840. Do you see? 840. What about the highest common factor? For a highest common factor, guys, you take what is common. So what is common here? It's 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is this thing. 2 times 2, it's 4, times this, it's 12, this one. You should know, guys, how to count. Beside a calculator, check, it's 12. So guys, for this video, I think I'm done. This one, I think I'm done. You can just take a screenshot and do your own notes, Yeah, because these things are just straightforward, guys. Even here, you can just do a screenshot and do your own notes. Do you see the question was saying what? So guys, I hope now you understand what are the LCM, HCF. If you feel lost, don't be afraid. You can comment and try to get my number. If you don't know me, you can try to get my number. Ask me on WhatsApp, because I'm always available. Then I will tell you this, it's like this and that, you see? Or I can even do more videos. But for now, I can just give you these questions that please practice them and try them. There are not many, there are just 3 questions. By doing 3 questions, yeah, you will get more understanding, guys. So I hope, guys, you did understand the video. Thank you for watching. All the best.